What are you doing?
This was fun.
Honk for it.
I can hear this guy.
Dude, I love that guy.
Oh.
He looked like some druggie, but I still love
It is
him.
an accident. Right here.
No, he's not gonna. Honk for it.
Oh.
Yeah! Boom, boom! Honk for some love, little boy! Look at me! Honk for love, honk for love. Honk for some love. Honk, honk, honk.
There's an accident.
Yeah, do this thing.
Frick, man.
Oh, frick, that guy died. That car died.
Yeah, you have to yell.
Yeah! I love you! I love you, man! Yeah. Honk for some love! Whoa, you're going too fast! Too fast, too fast! Whoa! Oh, dude, everyone loves me.
Because you're wearing those ugly glasses.
So, can't see me.
How many honks did you get today?
Oh, is it a record? What the
Yeah.
frick? I got 5.
Out of like.
Do it on honk.
Holla!
Side.
So,
Let me get. Oh, this person right here.
where?
Honk for some love. Ow, ow, ow. Let me get that. Oh, motorcycle! Hey, honk. Honk for me.
He's like, he's like,
Honk if you love me. Honk. Dude.
okay, we're going to the tunnel.
Honk for love. Honk for love. Yeah. I love you. Yeah. He loves me.
You know that was me, right?
Really? Frick, I thought, Frick.
Lovely.
Honk for me, man.
And then you went in and he said, I love you, man.
Hey, come to the left side. Honk for love.
You do the honky side, Alan. You do. He probably thinks you're doing something else.
What? Honk for love. Hey, pretty boy. Give me that honkers.
Hey!
Hey, pretty boy.
Okay.
Honk for
Oh, dude, that car got mad.
I know, that's the one that we saw.
Come on, you guys, don't you love me? Oh, you're right there. You gotta look. You gotta. Oh, you little weenie.
You little weenie.
Honk for love, little girl. Oh, that's an old girl. Ew. Oh, that little kid was looking at me. Honk for
He
love.
wants some.
Honk for love. Honk for
Get
love.
it.
Oh, he just read it. He read it. Oh, he
Yeah,
said
this is
no.
the honky. Did he even wave?
No, I saw him reading. He's like, I was like,
So anyways, while Alan tries to get honked, we're in the car with, well, apparently Alan. JP, who's sleeping?
You
Danny
get some love, FedEx. FedEx.
and Jezreen.
FedEx.
Oh.
Mm.
But those
Oh, you hungry? Yeah. Dude, I know that was you.
I told you to go for a
I like the
third time.
tunnel honk.
for
Yeah,
love.
I love you, man.
Hey, you guys all need to honk for me.
That
Honk
was
for.
hecka funny.
Honk. That was.
Whoa!
Oh. Azteca. You know, if you go to Azteca for Tuesdays and Thursdays, I think after a certain time, $5 all you can eat tacos.
Are you serious?
Yep. Okay,
Honk for love.
I think we're done.
Or you can just make the honking noise. Hey, girl.
Ain't no girl.
Yeah, it is.
I see it is.
Honk for love. Honk for love. You three. Honk for love. Honk for love.
Alan, I don't ever want you in my car ever
Alan, say
again.
bye.
Why?
Say bye.
You know you love
Do
it.
your little sign.
2:11.